Hey guys, Rodney Conway here with Excel Real Estate. Today I want to talk a little bit about home prices. And whether you're a homeowner or looking to become one, the question in a lot of media right now is home prices falling? There's been a lot of speculations about home prices, and there have been a little bit of declining in home prices. I want to show you guys this graph though. It explains what's been going on in the last couple months with home prices. Let's take a look at it right quick. This chart right here provides a look at the most recent reports from Case-Shiller, the Federal Housing Finance Agency, FHFA, Black Knight, and CoreLogic. It shows how, on a national scale, home values have changed month over month since January 2022. November and December numbers have yet to come out. Let's focus on what the red numbers tell us. The red numbers are the change in home values over the last 4 months that have been published. And if we isolate the last 4 months, what the data shows is home price depreciation peaked in August. While that doesn't guarantee home price depreciation has hit bottom, it confirms prices are in a free fall. And it may be an early signal that the worst is already behind us. As the numbers for November and December are released, data will be able to further validate these national trends. A bottom line, home prices month over month have depreciated for the past 4 months on record, but there's a strong case to be made that the worst may be behind us. If you have any question about what's happening within home prices in your local market, please feel free to reach out to me, 864-426-0500, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my weekly tips that I put out weekly. Thanks guys, have a great day, and thanks for listening.